Hello, everyone, and welcome to Zen Breathe Light. How many times in life have we looked at someone else and thought, why can't I be like them? This comparison often leaves us feeling unhappy, doesn't it? In today's world, with apps like TikTok and Instagram, it's so easy to fall into this trap and feel unsatisfied with our own lives, thinking everyone else has it better. This story is for anyone who's ever felt that way. And as we listen, we'll also pick up some new words, so please stay with me until the very end. One day, a crow was flying around and landed on a tree branch. While resting, he saw a magnificent swan swimming in a nearby pond. The swan's feathers were a brilliant white, and villagers gathered just to admire its beauty. The crow, curious, flew a little closer, but as soon as the villagers saw him, they shooed him away. The crow thought, maybe they're afraid I'll make the place dirty. Feeling sad, he flew to another branch, but again, the villagers waved their hands, driving him off. The crow's heart ached. He saw how much people adored the swan for its beautiful feathers, while he was disliked. With a heavy heart, the crow left the village and flew deep into a forest. Perched on a branch, he began to cry. He sobbed to himself, "People hate me because of my black feathers. If only I had white feathers like the swan, I would be happy too." Just then, an old, wise crow passed by and saw him crying. "Why are you so sad, young one?" he asked. "Gently," the crow replied. "I hate my black feathers. They're so ugly, and nobody likes me." The old crow smiled kindly. "If you could look like any bird, which one would you choose?" he asked. The young crow didn't hesitate. "I want to be a swan. Everyone admires them." The old crow nodded. "There is a magical spring deep in this forest. If you bathe in its water with a pure heart, you can change your appearance. But before you go, why don't you ask the swan if it's truly happy?" The crow agreed and flew back to the pond. He approached the swan and said, "Dear swan, you must be the happiest bird alive. Your white feathers are so beautiful, and everyone loves you. Are you happy?" The swan looked down sadly. "Thank you for your kind words," it said, "but I'm not happy. People keep me as a pet, and I can't live freely. When I get old, they might even use me for my meat. You live in fear and never knowing if I'll see another day." The crow was shocked. "Then who do you think is the happiest bird?" he asked. The swan replied, "I think parrots are the happiest. Their colorful feathers are even more beautiful than mine, and people don't eat them." So, the crow thanked the swan and flew off to find a parrot. He found one sitting on a branch and asked, "Dear parrot, your colorful feathers are so lovely. You must be the happiest bird." The parrot sighed, "My feathers are pretty, but because of them, I spend my life locked in a cage. I'm always scared and never free." The crow's heart sank even further. "Then who," he asked, "is the happiest bird?" The parrot thought for a moment. "The peacock must be the happiest. People admire its feathers, and they give it a huge, grand space to live in." The crow then flew to a zoo to find a peacock. He saw it spreading its magnificent feathers as a crowd of visitors watched in awe. "Dear peacock," the crow sighed, "you are so beautiful. Your feathers are amazing. You must be the happiest bird in the world." The peacock looked at the crow with weary eyes. "No, my friend, I am not happy. People take my feathers and sell them. It's painful when they pluck them, and it happens over and over again. I wish I could be free like you. No one bothers you, and you can go wherever you please." Hearing this, the crow was stunned. He realized he had been taking his own freedom for granted. He thanked the peacock and flew back to the old crow. "I don't want to be anyone else," he declared. "I am happy to be a crow." This story teaches us a powerful lesson. Everyone has their own struggles. Comparing ourselves to others only leads to unhappiness. Instead, we should be thankful for what we have. Remember, you are unique, and no one can be a better version of you than yourself. If this story helped you, please don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next story, where we'll continue learning together. Don't forget to subscribe to Zen Breathe Light.